Hi guys, today we unboxing Samsung S24 Ultra. That one black color, 1 TB. The storage is 12 GB, 1 TB, and the color is titanium black. You can see. And this one S24 Ultra. Okay, and this one S23 Ultra. Just nothing much more difference. Just difference only they this time they putting here for outside for body nature like titanium. Okay, and the old one nothing. You can see the simple color old one is nobody like silver or whatever. Yeah, and they just put in box also titanium. You can see this is the titanium. And here Samsung, this one is 5G chip, because when someone going to village or other side area like highway road, they give us good service. You can see only this chip coming in USA and Canada.